right, folks, we are on page 58 in your notebook. So I'm going to give you a second. Go ahead and pause the video right here and write down these three things in words. All right, so when we have a table, that means that the ratios between our two quantities are equal. Then the relationship is proportional. So what that means is my ratio between y and x. So if I take y and divide it by x, it should be equal. So here I have 5 divided by 1, which is 5. Here I have 10 divided by 2, which is also 5. Here I have 15 divided by 3, which is also 5. And then 20 divided by 4, which is also 5. So that means that I have equivalent or equal ratios on this table. So that is a proportional relationship. Okay? When we put that on a graph, that is a straight line that starts at 0, 0 and goes through the origin. Those are the two most important things. Straight line and 0, 0, or the origin. Okay? And then the equation, it is written always as y equals kx. K is that constant of proportionality, which we found, that constant ratio, okay, that unit rate. This one would be y equals 5x, because y equals kx. This is our general formula, this y equals kx. The only thing that's going to change in the equation is k, okay? Now this down here says counterexample. Counterexample means not proportional. Okay, and you can change that all the way across. All right, so here, when I do my y over x, I get 7 over 1, 8 over 2, 9 over 3, and 10 over 4. So that's going to give me 7. It's going to give me 4, 3, and then that's going to be 2 and 1/5. Okay? So when I put that on a graph, it is not going to be quite as pretty. Okay, and I'm just going to eyeball this on the graph. I know if I go over 1 and up 7, okay, my 0 spot is going to be somewhere around here. Over 2 and up 8, over 3 and up 9. It's going to look something like this, okay? And then that equation is going to look like this. We're going to have our x, but we are probably going to start at 6, okay? That's the difference. These are both straight lines, but this doesn't start at the origin. Proportional and non-proportional doesn't mean good or bad. It just means proportional and non-proportional, a constant rate of change starting at 0. Okay? Be sure to upload this to your Google folder.